First of all, set the time zone to UTC 00. This is how our signal looks like. Here, the currency, the time, and the direction of the signal is given. First you need to select the currency pair, EUR/USD. Then select the time frame to 1 minute. After that, set the time to 17:27. And wait for the current candle to end. That is to wait till 17:26. Now place the trade down. That's all you need to do. In some cases we might face a loss. Then you should use martingale automatically if loss. Martingale is nothing but placing the trade again in the same direction 2 times. For any assistance you can contact at QG_support in Telegram. Contact me at Quotex_G.